here in the near future. But in the meantime, I'd like to show you some resources that we have on the Schoology page for the library. Now, you might say, why is this not inside my students' Schoology courses? I do not have the students rostered to my account because I don't give students grades. So this is something you will need to add and your students as well. And I will be asking students to do that through their teachers. So the access code that you need to enter just one time is right here on my screen. And you can see that it is 8JVVXMDR 8V4TT. So I hope that you can rewatch this video if you need to get that code again, but luckily you only need to do it one time, and then this should be in the courses so that you have access to this information. At the top of this, you can see that we have an About Me part where that, of course, links to a video where you can meet myself and my trusty bearded dragon, Pembe. Also, if you're ever in need of meeting with me through Zoom for any kind of help, resources, whether it be technology or book related, I am there for you. I've also been a classroom teacher in the past, so if you have any classroom needs or concerns for you or your students, I am at the ready to help. Here is my email. This will actually link you to my email, which you also can access from my library webpage as well. This Flipgrid link is for students to be able to give book recommendations. This is our Destiny Library Catalog. This is where kiddos can actually check out ebooks right on the page. They also can see what books are available if they are going to be able to do curbside library pickup. So I really want to spend some time talking about curbside since we're starting this on September the 3rd. And if you do not get your Google form completed in time for this time, we will be also doing it 2 weeks later on September 17th. So if you click on this, it will take you to the folder that I have information about this. Okay, so this is the Google form that Dr. DeBosch emailed you in the Wednesday update on August 26th. So if you click on that Google form, it asks you for your email. It gives you a little information up here on the logistics. It asks you when you would like to pick up or if you need delivery. I want all students to be able to have access to books from our library. If delivery is necessary, we are happy to make that happen. But if it is necessary, please be so kind to fill out this information below it. We do not need this information unless you choose needs delivery. Then you're going to put your student's name, their grade, their teacher, and then here is where they would request what kind of book types they would like. So they can have one or two. So picture books, early chapter books, fiction books, nonfiction, biography, or graphic novels. Special book requests would be if they have a specific topic that they like, a series, an author. I might not be able to get them exactly what they're looking for, so this is where any information that you or your child can give us would be helpful as I try to pull a lot of books in a short amount of time for pickup. Then this very last, anything else I can help you with. If you need help or you want to know about different apps that are available, there's Libby from the county library and Hoopla. There is Sora that we offer through Parkway and Destiny. Check out from our library webpage. I am happy to meet you on Zoom to be able to help you with any of these needs. Okay, so I'm going to go back to my Schoology page here now, and I want to show you that I also have all of these folders down here for you to access information. Read alouds. So read alouds, if you click on this, you're going to see links to lots of recorded story times. So some are done by me and some are done by other authors. So you just click on that and you will have access to those things. Accessing resources, this is where you will find videos and PDF information sheets for accessing any of our ebooks and audiobooks that we have to offer. Book clubs is something that I will be offering for 4th and 5th graders to start the year out for September. So if you click on book clubs, we are going to be doing Project Lit. This is our 3rd year, and we partner with another teacher from Highcroft. We will be doing this virtually. Our first book will be From the Desk of Zoe Washington, and it will be at the end of September. So if you have a 4th or 5th grader, I would really encourage you to let them be a part of this, and more information coming on that, but you can get the book yourself in any way possible. Or if you have a need of getting the book, let me know, and I will try to honor that request so your child can be a part of this awesome opportunity. So I'm going to go back to the Schoology page. We have makerspace activities. If you click on here, there's some challenges the kids can do if you're looking for things to enrich them. This is book recommendations, digital citizenship. I will be teaching some lessons on here to help kids be better digital citizens when they're online. And all of these things are here for you. I'm going to go to the accessing resources for just a moment. And I'm going to just show you that these are videos that you can watch about how to go about Sora, which is through the library and both the county and Parkway, and how to check out ebooks from the Belle Reve Library. I made a video on how to do that. Flying into summer reading. This was something that we had this school year over the summer. You might have seen it. Dr. DeBosch shared it, and it was also on my website. And we are going to go to the preview because you don't want to see my Google site in action here. So all of this information that we had this summer is still can be accessed. You're looking for good book choices for your kiddos. The Mark Twain nominees for my 4th and 5th graders are right here. So I just wanted to keep that live and on the Schoology page right here under resources. Okay, so I hope this has been helpful, and I hope that I again will get to see you soon. And if you have any questions, please let me know, and I hope that you will access all these resources, and I hope to hear from you soon.